Everyone is hyping flax seeds for hair, but is it really safe for your hair type? Before you apply it on your hair, you need to see this. Flaxseed gel is a natural hair gel made by boiling flax seeds in water until a thick, slippery gel forms. It's popular for moisturizing dry hair, defining curls, and promoting healthy hair growth, especially for curly and natural hair types. Pros: it moisturizes dry hair. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that hydrate, soften, smooth, and condition hair shaft. It defines curls naturally. It gives soft, bouncy definition without flex or crunch. It also promotes hair growth. It nourishes the scalp and strengthens follicles. It reduces breakage. Flax seeds contain vitamin E, which improves elasticity and minimizes breakage. It soothes the scalp. Its anti-inflammatory properties help with dandruff and irritation. It's natural and non-toxic. No harsh chemicals, alcohols, or preservatives. It's an affordable DIY option. It is easy to make at home with minimal ingredients. Cons: it has a short shelf life. It spoils quickly, 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge unless preserved. It can cause buildup. It needs occasional clarifying to prevent residue. Mistakes to avoid when making flaxseed gel: don't overcook. It thickens too much. Strain while warm or it's hard to separate the seeds. Add natural preservatives if storing longer than a week. You can combine the gel with this for great results. This is optional. Aloe vera juice for extra moisture. Essential oil, that is lavender, tea tree, rosemary, for added scalp benefits. You can add glycerin if humidity is low in your area. You can add Jamaican black castor oil for sealing ends. Who should not use flaxseed gel? If you have protein sensitivity or low porosity hair, it might leave your hair feeling coated or dry. Allergies or scalp sensitivity to flax seeds: you can do a patch test on your hair before applying it. It is not ideal if you want strong hold or if you live in a high humidity area. Let's make it. Add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a small pot. Pour in 1 cup of water. Turn on the heat and let it simmer. Keep stirring so it does not stick. I've used this flaxseed gel on my ends for moisture and curl definition. Here is the video, you can check it out. I've also used it to detangle on my wash day. Check this out. Once the texture turns into a light gel, strain it immediately using a clean stocking or a fine sieve, and voila, you've got your homemade flaxseed gel. Overall, flaxseed gel is a powerful natural hair tool when used the right way. Test it and see how your curls respond. But remember, every head of hair is different. If it does not work for you, no worries. Try another natural detangler like okra gel and see what your hair loves most. If you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Click the next video.